Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reducing irritation and supporting immune response. Do these first. Sit upright, sip warm fluid slowly to loosen mucus and soothe throat. Use a saline nasal spray or rinse to physically clear nasal passages. This helps breathing and decreases cough triggers. If you have fever or pain, take recommended acetaminophen or ibuprofen, following dose instructions. Once done, make sure to rest. Your body heals during sleep. These steps rapidly lower symptoms, so you can tackle the next actions. Once initial relief is underway, focus on clearing airways and calming cough reflexes. Inhale steam for about 10 minutes, 2 times a day. Steam thins mucus and eases chest tightness, and using mild saline boosts effectiveness. For a sore throat or cough at night, take 1 teaspoon of honey if over 1 year old. Honey coats the throat and reduces cough frequency. If mucus is thick, consider a short course of an expectorant. For severe nasal blockage, a decongestant can help briefly. To complete recovery, maintain hydration and gentle nutrition while you rest. Immune cells need energy and fluids to work. Monitor progress. Once fever subsides, continue light activity gradually but avoid overexertion for at least 24 to 48 hours. If symptoms worsen, high fever above 39 degrees C, shortness of breath, chest pain, seek medical attention promptly. Troubleshoot lingering cough. If it persists beyond 3 weeks, or you produce blood or thick green sputum,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.